Okay, I am here to show you how to perfectly clean the interior windshield. I want to show you right here. Do you see these streaks? Let's see if you can get better light. Kind of some of these streaks here. Possibly some of these streaks here. Again, I can't tell what you can see. But I can certainly tell you that when the driver goes into the sun, they're going to notice if you haven't dialed in the interior windshield. Let me take you in to what I think is the absolute best way to clean your interior windshield. One huge tip that I would have for anybody is use clean, dedicated towels. Towels that you wash together and that only touch your window cleaning solution. So I have in here all brand new clean towels, and that's going to be part of this strategy. Okay, a huge tip I have for you is to work clean. You want a brand new magic eraser. You have your brand new towels, not brand new, but they've been washed together. They've never been washed with a wheel towel, and they're dedicated. I love the waffle weave, so we'll get to those in a second. But you want a magic eraser that's never been used before. Now, I've got my rinseless wash solution. This is Optimum No Rinse. You could use Wipeout. You could probably use an Armor All, a window cleaner at home if you'd like. Don't get intimidated by the product. Here's what you want to do. Saturate your magic eraser. I've got my ONR, Optimum No Rinse diluted 256:1, standard dilution. It's a great window cleaner. Okay, so that is nice and wet. And now, here's what we're gonna do on the windows. Step one is to get every surface of the windshield. Again, you sing in your car, some people smoke in their cars, you cough in your cars, and so much gets built up on this windshield. Then I'm taking a dedicated microfiber towel. This will be used once. I'm going to spray my glass cleaner on it. And everything is working clean. I'm rubbing in that, I'm flipping, and I'm just going like that. I'm gonna flip the towel so that I'm working clean. I may give it another spritz of my glass cleaner. And I'm going back in, hitting every surface, every single surface with firm pressure. That's a good start. Now this glass towel, I'm not going to use it again. It's going in the discard pile. Work clean, folks. I'm telling you, this is an amazing system. Now I've got a brand new clean towel. I'm going in to wipe. When I find I get streaks is when I am cross-contaminating with glass. It sounds crazy, but you all know how finicky interior glass can be. It is hard work, but this system will not fail you if you do it the right way. Now, what am I gonna do? Well, I've still got, I don't know if you can see how dirty this is, that dark edge right there. Dark edge there, some dirt there. So we've already got ourselves a dirty windshield. I'm just gonna hit the rearview mirror, hit it with a clean glass towel, flip it. You can never flip too often to give yourself clean real estate on the towel to work with. What I love about these waffle weave towels, and of course they just look like the waffle pattern, is they don't lint and they're super absorbent. Now I'm going to take this, spray it again, and I'll wring it outside. I'll spray it again. At this point you could almost get a clean magic eraser again, but I think if you take care of this just for one window, it's good. So I've squeezed it out. And now we're going to move to the next window. Again, I cannot stress enough the importance of working clean. We've got a clean towel and a clean magic eraser. Gonna give this a few spritzes. Let's go for the windshield here. Here we go. Every bit of real estate I can. I'm using that top light that you can see for extra light, because you can never have enough light with windows, right? You do them in the dark, the customer drives out into the sun, and they say, hey, I see streaks all over my windows. Well, the magic eraser is here to try to prevent some of that from happening. And you can never have enough light. So what I've essentially done is just worked around a lot of that dirt. There's still a lot of residue sitting on your windshield. So I've got a moist cleaning towel. I'm gonna flip it over as I lose my light here. And what I'm probably gonna do, discard that towel, grab a fresh one. Some windshields are different than others. This is a mommy vehicle, and it is pretty darn dirty. So I'm gonna hit it with one more pass of Optimum No Rinse soap towel on a much cleaner windshield, so we're working less dirt around. And then I'm just going to wipe that clean. Give it another dry side to buff. Make sure you're hitting all the corners. Flip again. You can never flip enough. You can never have a clean enough towel. If there's one takeaway, it's that. Okay, now it's time for the inspection. Let's see how we did. I'm looking this way. I see a streak, so I come and get it. You always want to come back and check it from every angle. There's a lot of rock chips in here. Obviously we can't repair those, but we can prevent streaks on a windshield. Now I'm gonna come back to this, and it looks like that was an exterior smudge, because I was wondering what that was. It didn't come out. Same principle applies here. Ultimately, sun will be the determining factor in whether we succeeded, but I don't know if you can tell, this windshield is looking pretty awesome despite all the rock chips, and I think the driver is going to be very happy. So again, discarded, what do we use? 3 clean microfiber towels, waffle weave, dedicated for windows. These are going to be washed with window towels, put back in that bag, and at the end of the day, the customer's getting a really clean windshield.